Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. Saya turut syukur kepada Allah SWT dan bangga dengan ikhtiar untuk memperingati jasa khidmat dan sebelumnya pengorbanan perjuangan rakyat Aceh dan pengajaran daripada Aceh sendiri. Rakyat yang gigih dengan roh perjuangan yang kental menghadapi rintangan termasuk tsunami akhirnya, tetapi dapat menyelesaikan dengan semangat rundingan, tasamuh, toleransi dan semangat kemanusiaan sejagat. Bagi kami di Malaysia, Aceh Darussalam itu sebahagian daripada sejarah gemilang. Sarjana ulama tersohor dan pengaruh yang menjalar ke banyak daerah. Ada kampung Aceh, ada masjid Aceh, ada bandar Aceh di Malaysia ini. Jadi ini menjadikan kita lebih dekat, akrab. Jadi sekali lagi saya ucapkan penghargaan setinggi-tingginya kepada rakan-rakan masyarakat Aceh. Brothers and sisters, I'm profoundly honored to address the people of Aceh with a past that is steeped in tradition and whose trials and tribulations have shaped the course of history. Aceh continues to be a testament of the resilience of the human spirit, a land where faith and fortitude have weathered the whims and scorns of time. From a towering legacy of scholars like Sheikh Abdul Rauf As-Sinkili, whose works bridge divine wisdom and earthly justice, to the dark shadows of colonial manipulation exemplified by Orientalists like Snook Hugronje, with his 2 volumes of the Acehnese or the Acehers. Aceh's story, therefore, reminds us that knowledge could subjugate as much as it could liberate. Today, as the world grapples with the genocide in Gaza, to the conflicts in Myanmar, Aceh's hard-won peace stands as a beacon of what is possible when courage meets compromise. The 2005 Helsinki Peace Agreement was not a victory of one side over another, but a triumph of collective wisdom. It succeeded because it honored Aceh's distinct identity, a lesson drawn from the very traditions upheld by scholars like Abdul Rauf, who understood that justice must be rooted in the soil of local reality. Helsinki reminds us that lasting peace demands more than a ceasefire. It requires a courage of conviction armed with a commitment to dignity, autonomy, and the unwavering inclusion of those most affected by the conflict. Let the world be reminded and see that in Aceh, what we so critically need today, proof that reconciliation is possible, that wounds can heal, and that the pursuit of peace and justice is the highest form of resistance. On my part, inshallah, I pledge to advocate for peaceful solutions in ASEAN and beyond, standing firm in the belief that no conflict is intractable when met with sincerity. Together, let our actions honor Aceh's journey and light the way for others still striving to emerge from the ashes of war. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.